Y'all want to get this look? Yep. Watch the video. I got you, boo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey. You know, there's some music playing. It's playing in my head. Anywho, guys, it's been so long. It's been so long. So today I'm not even going to keep y'all waiting because it's been so long. I'm just going to tell y'all that I'm doing something different. Okay. Maybe it's not different, but I like to try to take styles and like incorporate them together to try to see how it turns out. You know, I don't know. I just like to be different. So anywho, this is what I'm going to do today. Today, I am going to do everything that I would do for a wash and go. The only difference that I would do is at the end of applying my product, I'm going to put a twist at the end. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer for the same amount of time that I would do my wash and go. And we're going to see how it turns out from there. Like, I'm so excited, guys. So excited. So it's not quite a twist out because, you know, like you use different products for a twist out. But it's like a twist wash and go. I don't know. I'm gonna come up with a name. Y'all help me come up with a name for it. So I'm not gonna take any more time. We're gonna get right into this. Okay? Okay. So first I'm gonna start off by taking my headband off and taking my hair out of my scrunchie. I purchased those for Walmart. They are amazing. I'm going to fluff my hair out, making sure it's detangled, giving my scalp a little massage so that it can be ready for the next step. So next, what I did was I went and wet my hair completely so that I can apply my Indian healing clay. I decided to use the Indian healing clay in place of my shampoo just because I felt like I needed it. So here I'm going to apply it to each section of my hair, and I'm not going to show you all of that since it's a bit redundant, but you'll see by me applying it to the first section how I apply it to my whole head. Now, the Indian healing clay has been applied to my full head. And I'm just going through getting some remaining healing clay off of my hand and just putting it on my head. So now it's time for me to let it dry. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And guess what I've done? I have washed the Indian healing clay out and I have applied my leave-in conditioner in the shower. Oh my gosh. As you can see, I love how my curls look after applying that Indian healing clay. I'm going to go in using the Eco Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel and couple it with the Afro Sheen Texture Setting Cream Gel. I love that gel. It looks so good. It makes my hair look so good. So I'm going to apply the Eco Gel first, and then I will apply the Afro Sheen Gel. Once I apply the product to the section, I'm going to loosely twist my hair. This will ensure that the curl keeps its shape and that it will be elongated as I continue to twist the rest of my hair. Oh. This is the last one. The last one. Alright y'all, now I have all my twists in my hair and I'm going over my twists to try to take excess product out. Now it's time to apply my color. Today I'm going to be using the Curlsmith temporary hair gel color. The color I'm using is gold. Here I'm going to separate my twist, and as I separate my twist I'm going to make sure each curl is separated so that when I apply the hair color it goes on smoothly. I'm only going to apply it to the tips, so I put a little bit in my hand, rub my hands together, and blot the end of my hair. As you can see, I'm only getting the tips of my hair. So I'm going to continue to do this for the remainder of my hair, and then you'll see what it looks like when it's all applied. Now all of the color is applied to my hair. I'm just adding a little bit left that's still on my hands, because you know I had to get my hair right for date night, looking nice for the boo and all. So now it's time for me to go sit under the dryer and wait for my hair to dry. And then when I come back, you'll see the finished product. Hi guys. Tell me how I did. How did I do? What you think? How it look? Y'all like, dislike, like what you think? I love it. I think it turned out really good. I am really pleased with how it turned out. I ended up having to add the copper to it because the gold kind of gave it like this dull look. Like it wasn't, I didn't really like it. So I added the copper to kind of give it some contrast. This is what it turned out looking like, y'all. Y'all. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that. It's so full. I laid my hair. My edges laid. I did like some little bobby pin art going on there. Did all red. I like this, y'all. I really do. I just want to say thank you for taking the time out to watch my channel. I thank you so much. Please leave me feedback. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, all of that. All of that. I pray that everybody is maintaining during this election season. I always hate election seasons. They're always critical, and they always make people go insane. Like, I just don't understand. Like, people just turn into a whole never mind. We ain't even gonna go there. But I just pray that you sane and you staying safe and you making the best choice for you. Always remember that you have to trust the process. God's always got your back, and all you have to do is just trust him that he's gonna lead you in the right way. So again, I say thank you for watching. I hope y'all like this. Woo! This, woo! Y'all. Woo! Look at that. Ah! I pray y'all like my twist, wash and go out. I said it different this time, but I pray y'all like it. Like I said, give me some feedback. Thanks again, guys, for watching my channel. And I hope to see you again next week. Bye!